Siguro po, just to substantiate our support, just to support the statements also of Kong Ino and Kong Tammy, siguro po makikita din natin na very well respected ang ating mahal na Presidente Bongbong Marcos sa international community. And I'm actually really personally, sobrang bilib po ako sa mga remarkable achievements and the recognition that our President is getting from the international community. I would like to cite two of this, which is a testament to how well respected our President is in the international community. The first is the trilateral meeting. Never has it ever happened that the Philippines has had a trilateral meeting with the US and Japan. And nakita naman po natin na as Speaker mentioned in his opening statement, the Philippines is being mentioned in the same breath as the US and Japan. So that really goes to show how much of an economic superstar the Philippines is becoming in the international community. The second would be yung pag-invite po sa atin sa World Economic Forum o yung Davos. I would like to stress this because this is a remarkable achievement on the part of President Marcos and Speaker Martin Romualdez, because it's very difficult to get invited to the World Economic Forum. It's very difficult for a country to be invited to Davos. And the fact po na we've been invited, I think, 2 years in a row, and in January, invited po ulit yung Pilipinas. Just goes to show na even in Davos itself, all of the big businessmen, all the heads of state want to have like one-on-one meetings with our president, with our speaker. So that's how well respected we're becoming. Tapos pumunta pa dito sa Pilipinas yung delegates ng World Economic Forum just last month. So we're really seeing that our president's international trips, his recognition in the international community, it's translating to more business, more interest in the Philippines. And that's why on the part of Congress, we're helping with the amendments we're proposing in RBH and in the charter reforms that we're proposing. We're making it easier for the Philippines to be more open to business. So tinutulungan din po natin yung ating presidente para po yung mga pledges, yung mga interest at investments can be translated to actual jobs and investments in the Philippines. So yun po, tulong po ito yung international trips na ating presidente, yung mga foreign engagements sa ating presidente, yung ginagawa natin na charter reforms on the economic side, at yung para po pumasok yung mga investments sa ating Pilipinas, and more importantly, to generate more jobs for the Filipinos.